Welcome to the Quantumverse Infinity Matrix. We are thrilled to present a revolutionary platform that fuses decentralized earning potential with the principles of quantum mechanics and cutting-edge AI technology. Here, you can unlock infinite opportunities for financial growth through innovative user interactions and multiple matrix entries per user ID. At its core, the Quantumverse Infinity Matrix is a multidimensional earning ecosystem reflecting quantum superposition. Each user is strategically placed to benefit from an AI-driven structure that enhances earning potential. Operating on the Binance BEP20 network, your funds are secure during wallet-to-wallet transactions. For an optimal experience, use MetaMask and Trust Wallet. The system performs best on these two platforms. With our tiered bonus system and sustainable community model, the Quantumverse Infinity Matrix is designed to maximize your earning potential. Get ready to explore the infinite possibilities ahead. Activate your entry with a one-time fee of just $6 BEP20 and enjoy infinite participation opportunities for only $2 BEP20 per additional entry. That is not all. You get one re-entry in the Infinity Matrix on every direct referral with your affiliate link. This system not only boosts your income potential but also drives collective growth. Let's discuss the Quantumverse Infinity Matrix business model, focusing on the daily income distribution and withdrawal mechanism. You can start your membership for just $6 BEP20. Your daily income is divided into three parts. You receive 70% of your income, 10% goes to Infinity Level Bonus, 10% goes to Daily Drain Bonus, and 10% goes to Infinity Magic Bonus. With just one click, you can withdraw any amount above $6 in a decentralized manner. A 10% withdrawal fee is applied, which helps regulate the system effectively. There is no capping on daily withdrawals. Let us now go step by step and understand all income options. The first income option, direct referral bonus. You will earn $3 on every direct referral activated in the system using your affiliate link. You can earn unlimited by referring unlimited direct referrals. As a special benefit, the system will grant you an additional re-entry for each direct referral you make. By maximizing your referrals, you can earn substantial direct referral bonus and multiply your matrix entries, significantly boosting your passive income. The second income option is the inspiring Infinity Level Bonus. Here's how it works. For every earning transaction, 10% is distributed across 10 levels, with each level earning you 1%. This means that if you put in the effort to build a strong, thriving team, you'll be able to earn 1% on every income transaction within your entire 10-level team. As your team expands, you'll discover the incredible potential for daily earnings. The true strength of this income stream lies in the power of collaboration and teamwork. With focused effort, you can create a source of passive income that supports you for life. Embrace the journey, nurture your team, and watch your financial future flourish. The third income option is the Infinity Magic Bonus, a truly limitless bonus system. Here's how it works. 10% of every earning transaction is evenly distributed among all your direct referrals or Level 1 team members. This means that your downline can earn from your success for an infinite period. The design of this system ensures that every ID within the entire network benefits automatically, generating passive income consistently. It's a powerful opportunity where teamwork and shared success create a continuous flow of rewards for everyone involved. Embrace the magic of collaboration and watch your earnings grow. The fourth groundbreaking feature of Quantumverse is the Quantumverse Infinite Matrix, where you can earn $1 BEP20 from every ID in your global structure, up to infinite levels. This innovative system marks a historic moment by merging virtual and real structures to create a unique matrix experience. Here, you can earn 4x on the income achieved at each previous level, leading to limitless earning potential. For example, on level 1, you earn $1. On level 2, it's $4. Level 3 brings $16. Level 4 offers $64. Level 5 yields $256. Level 6 gives you $1024. Level 7 provides $4096, and it continues exponentially. The fifth income option is Daily Drain Bonus. The Daily Drain Bonus is a unique passive income opportunity for all members. A daily fund is generated by deducting 10% from the activation fees of all packages, as well as 10% from the matrix bonuses of all users. At a predetermined time each day, the total amount collected in this fund is closed, and the entire pool is distributed equally among all active IDs in the system. This means every member, regardless of activity, receives a share of the fund, providing a consistent source of daily passive income. This is a lifelong, non-working income stream designed to benefit all participants. In closing, the Quantumverse Infinity Matrix is your gateway to limitless earning potential. With powerful income options like the Daily Promotion Bonus, Infinity Level Bonus, Infinity Magic Bonus, and the revolutionary Quantumverse Infinite Matrix, you have the tools to achieve financial freedom. Every direct referral not only boosts your earnings but also grants you additional re-entries to amplify your passive income. Embrace this journey, maximize your efforts, and let your ambition pave the way to unprecedented success. Your future awaits. Let's make it extraordinary. Thank you for watching.